Greetings, Mark Bernier. We're going to be looking at how we can insert equation right into this Microsoft Word document. Yes, very important. All right, if you notice up by the top up here, you want to click on the word insert, right? So these are the insert tab, draw tab, all these are tabs. So I want to click on insert tab. You're going to come all the way to your right. If you notice, this is a busy equation. So I want to click on the little pointer. When I click on the little pointer, you notice it shows some different type of equation right here, but I want to come right here. That said insert equation, new equation, and click right here. Notice right here. So if you notice, these are some different stuff that I can actually do. When I click right here, you notice this take you definitely to some of these function right here. We'll come right here to scripts. Okay, take it right here, just like that. Right, notice actually I have one right here. If you notice it in the middle, so I want to take it to the left. Click back on it, you notice look up pointer that turn down, I click on it. Notice, go down to justification, click on left, you notice I put it right there and left, just like that. You press enter to go down. Alright, you want to click up on insert. So definitely you can actually click on that, you notice it take it directly here. You can come right here to get some more equation right here. You notice it shows a sign right there. I can actually put or just the same. Let me bring it up that you can actually see it if you notice different equations support. Alright, I'm going to bring up a different equation again that you can actually see what's going on. Alright, when I click on a fraction, I'm going to click like this on a fraction. Alright, so I'm going to click in it. I'm going to come right up here to scripts. Alright, I'm going to click here. You notice I'm going to click again on the bottom one. Come up again, click on script. Alright, if you notice, this is another equation that we actually create right here. This is very important now. We want to create a fraction so far. Click on that. You notice this is the fraction. I'm going to select this one. So click right here. And I put 2. Click right here. So you put 4. Alright, another 0. We're going to put it to the left. So far, I right click and go down to justification. Alright, so definitely this is how we actually insert equation right here in a Microsoft Word document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.